Grab a cup of rice and a glass jar. Pour half of the rice into the jar using a wooden spoon to keep things clean and easy. Take 2 large dried bay leaves. Break them gently with your hands and drop them into the jar. Next, we'll add about 20 cloves. Fill the jar with clean water until it's nearly full. Then, use the wooden spoon to stir everything together until well combined. Cover the jar with a cloth or small towel, securing it tightly, and let it sit in a dark place for 24 hours. The next day, you'll notice the water has turned a golden brown. It's now packed with nutrients. Use a strainer to separate the liquid from the solids, pouring it into a clean jar. Now, take a small onion and grate it onto a plate. Once grated, strain the onion to collect its liquid. This will be our secret boost for the mixture. Pour the onion juice into the jar with the rice water. Then, add a tablespoon of olive oil or argan oil. Stir everything together one last time until it's perfectly mixed. Pour the liquid into a small spray bottle for easy application. If you have dry, brittle, and lifeless hair, or you are struggling to keep it soft and manageable, this is something that many of us have faced. Apply it to your scalp before every wash, leave it on for 10 minutes, and rinse with water. Packed with vitamins, minerals, it's designed to hydrate your scalp, strengthen your strands, and leave your hair soft and shiny.